Happy 9th anniversary, Creality. Happy 9th anniversary, Creality.
Bought my first Creality printer almost 5 years ago.
J'ai connu Creality avec cette fameuse CR10. J'ai entendu parler de cette machine en 2018.
Benim Creality hikayem Ender 3 versiyon 2 ile başladı.
Trabalho com impressão 3D desde 2011 e sou fã da Creality.
我第一次使用传统产品的打印机是在2021年9月。
I've been 3D printing with Creality's products for over 3 years.
1 year into 3D printing now.
I've been printing with Creality 3D printer since 2 years ago.
Creality is an affordable, quality and innovative company.
Kaliteli, güvenilir ve yenilikçi.
They have high quality products at a reasonably priced.
Because they're affordable, reliable, with high quality and repeatability.
혁신적인 회사라고 생각을 합니다. 크리얼리티라는 사명과 비슷하게
A Creality e a impressão 3D significam inovação, criatividade e futuro.
¿Qué significa? Es creación e innovación.
高效、可靠、易用。
is an affordable product, a high quality product in the end, with great customer service.
Creality is an innovative and reliable company that empowers the everyday person to explore their 3D creativity.
Dynamic, innovation,
leader.
Hello, my name is Aiden, or Aiden 3D Prints. I first used a 3D printer 4 years ago at my school, and that started my journey to getting my own 3D printer 2 years ago for my birthday, which was a Creality CR10 V3. 3D printing hasn't just taught me a lot about the hobby, it's also taught me other skills such as coding, electronics, spray painting. I do exhibitions at my school to showcase not only the things that I made, but the possibilities that you can have with 3D printing. 3D printing is truly the way of the future, and Creality is the one pushing the industry forward. So I want to wish you guys a happy 9-year anniversary and keep doing what you do.
Hi, my name's Dustin Kirch. I've been 3D printing for about 8 years now, and I can remember my first 3D printer from Creality was the CR10. I purchased it so I could build a fully functional BB-8 from Star Wars, and it was about 90% 3D printed, and it was all done on the CR10. Since then, I've bought a Ender 3 and the Ender 5 behind me. I'm currently working on setting up a 3D printing farm, and I'd like Creality to be along with me on the journey. I want to use all Creality 3D printers. Owning Creality 3D printers over the years has taught me so much because they're so easy to work on. Creality's always been on the cutting edge of the 3D printing world, and I'm excited to see what they come up with this year. Happy birthday, Creality, and congratulations on your first 9 years. You're doing great work, and we think.
Hello, so I'm Will Johns. I started printing in the summer of 2019 where I had a internship and we used a 3D printer to create prototypes. But when I got my first printer in October of 2020, it was the CR10 V2 right here. I quickly realized that I was more interested in making props and cosplays and stuff from like movies. So 3D printing overall though really helped me with my mental health because I was going through like some depression, dark time. But it gave me something to look forward to and something to be excited about and something to do every day. And it made me really happy when I'd come home. But Creality can be described as my go-to in terms of printing. It's very easy to use and it's very affordable. Whether you're a beginner or really advanced printer, it's easy for everyone.
Hello, Creality team. I'm Aurora Lung.
And I'm Helios Lung.
And we're here to congratulate you on your 9th anniversary. Our journey in 3D printing all started with an Ender 3 back in 2018. It was an affordable and capable printer, and I still have that Ender 3 behind me.
We've tested out 17 Creality machines so far, and we're happy to see how you continue adding new features to make the 3D printing experience more user-friendly and more accessible to people. As you celebrate your 9th anniversary, we want to congratulate you on your achievements and your successes. Your dedication to the industry has made you a prominent leader in the hobbyist 3D printer market. We look forward to seeing what new and exciting products you'll bring to the 3D printing community in the future.
Ni hao and hello, Creality. Nice to meet you. We founded the company back in 2013. We started our business with Creality in 2015, so that is about 6 years. I remember the first product we ever bought from them was the CR10. Back then it was a great product, and to be honest, we still sell one of the version, the CR10 S5, which we still have in our range. So that's kind of amazing. Creality have good product at attractive price points. They have capacity to deliver products, which is also very important. And that's great to see this success that Creality have had over the years. And I think you will have even greater success in the future. And I would say basically only the sky is the limit. So congratulations to 9 years now. And I'm looking forward to many more celebrations together with you. Bye bye.
Hello and happy anniversary, Creality.
Wish our friends at Creality a very happy anniversary.
Y felicidades en su 9º aniversario. Viva Creality.
Wish Creality happy birthday.
크리얼리티의 설립 9주년을 축하합니다.
Happy birthday, Creality.
Happy birthday and success with the new products.
Happy anniversary, Creality.
Feliz cumpleaños, Creality.
Happy anniversary, Creality.
祝创想沙维9周年快乐。
I wish Creality a happy birthday anniversary.
So congratulations, Creality.
祝创想三维生日快乐。
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Creality.
Happy birthday.
Ich wünsche Creality alles Gute und freue mich auf die neuen Produkte.
Happy birthday, Creality.
Creality 9周年おめでとうございます。
Congratulations, Creality, for your 9th anniversary.
Selamat ulang tahun Creality yang ke-9.
Happy birthday, Creality.
Happy 9th anniversary, Creality. Woo!